and called it a home. But cold floors feel the same, and gold shoes. I was 17 with a hunger that glittered. Thought the loudest room was where I belonged, so I polished myself till my edges went bitter. Learned all the right words and forgot my own song. They said dress like a rival, talk like you landed, so I wore their vocabulary like a borrowed coat. Smiled at the cameras, nodded and handed everything real I had just to stay afloat. And everybody claps for the version of you that was built in the image of what they needed. But who claps for the one who was real and true? The quiet one before all the noise receded. I've been barefoot on marble, rich in the wrong things, broke where it matters, chasing the chandelier, dodging the candle, burning my fingers on beautiful disasters. And still starving, the ones who go louder just keep going under, mistaking the applause for something worth having. I had a friend who wore his ambition like armor, climbed every shoulder he shook as a ladder. Now he sits in the room that he killed to get farther, wondering why all that winning feels sadder. And everybody claps for the version of you that was built in the image of what they needed. But who claps for the one who was real and true? The quiet one before all the noise receded. I've been barefoot on marble, rich in the wrong things, broke where it matters, chasing the chandelier, dodging the candle, burning my fingers on beautiful disasters. Maybe I don't need the marble, maybe the cold was the point, to remind my feet they're still human, still searching, still soft at the joy. Let the palace stand empty a minute, let the chandeliers dim. The most honest light I ever lived in came through a crack in the wind. I've been barefoot on marble, rich in the wrong things, broke where it matters, chasing the chandelier, dodging the candle, burning my fingers on beautiful disasters. But I'd rather be barefoot and breathing, feeling the cold as a sign that I'm here and I'm in a room full of everything gleaming, too polished to feel, too afraid to be near. Barefoot on marble, barefoot on marble, still searching, still so